Welcome to my dream studio office and gaming setup. Today I wanted to give you all a tour and breakdown of where I work, game, and create content. If you guys have any questions about any of the items that I mentioned in this video, make sure to leave a comment. Alright, so this is my dedicated gaming PC. This thing is rocking an i9-11900K, an RTX 4070 Founders Edition, 32GB of DDR4 RAM, which I know I'm gonna get some hate for, and for the motherboard I have the Asus Z590 Gundam Edition. For cooling, I have 7 NZXT F120 RGB fans paired with the NZXT Kraken Elite AIO cooler. And lastly, the case putting everything together is the NZXT H9 Flow. Now for the desk, I pretty much have the basic IKEA setup with a 98-inch countertop on top of 2 white Alex drawers and 1 leg in the middle. And since I pretty much worked from home all week, I knew I had to invest in a nice chair. So the chair I'm using is the Herman Miller Aeron, and it's fully spec'd out. And the headrest that you're seeing on my chair is from a company called Atlas Headrest. They pretty much make the cleanest looking ones, if I'm being honest. Now the monitor that I'm using on my gaming setup is the Samsung OLED G9, and I honestly don't see myself ever going back to a dual monitor setup. This monitor offers a 240Hz display with a 1ms response time, and this thing is great not only for gaming but for productivity as well. Now for the gear that I'm using for my audio, for my headphones I'm currently using the Corsair Virtuoso Pros, which is Corsair's latest release, and I honestly love the open back design. And for my microphone, I'm currently using the Shure MV7. And here's just a quick pro tip if you have the Shure MV7. If you want to eliminate all plosives with this microphone, I recommend replacing the windscreen that came with the microphone and replace it with the windscreen that you'll find on the Shure SM7B. This has honestly removed all plosives and it's been such a lifesaver. Now for the peripherals that are on my desk, I'm currently using a clear high ground keyboard. For my mouse, I'm using the Logitech Superlight, and this is honestly the best mouse that I've ever used. For my mousepad, I'm currently using the Razer Glass mousepad. And if you've never tried or used a glass mousepad before, I totally recommend it. They're sick. I also have the Wave XLR to control the audio of my headphones as well as the gain of my microphone, paired up with my Stream Deck Plus to control the brightness and temperature of my key lights. Now for some of the random accessories that are on my desk, I have the HomePod Mini to listen to music throughout the day while I work, as well as this nice monitor light that has a wireless dial very similar to the BenQ one. And don't sleep on those monitor lights, I'm telling you. As well as my Scuf Envision Pro and this very nice stand that I found on Amazon. Now for the lighting of my gaming setup, I'm currently using the Keylight Mini to brighten up my face for meetings or if I'm streaming. I also have the Nanoleaf wooden hexagon panels that I think look sick. And also we can't forget the Govee RGB rope light that you've probably have seen everywhere at this point. Then next to everything, we pretty much have these 3 shelves that just hold up my Funko Pops. So now moving over to this side of my setup, I'm currently dedicating this side to editing and unboxing. Now what's powering this whole setup is the refreshed MacBook Air. And honestly, this thing has just been an absolute beast when it comes to editing my videos as well as my photos. For the monitor, I'm using an Asus 24-inch 240Hz monitor paired up with an AVLT monitor arm. For my peripherals, I'm using the Apple Magic Keyboard and the Magic Trackpad, and both of these are sitting on a high ground mousepad. For lighting, I have these 2 Elgato key lights which are super useful when it comes to unboxing or if I'm going to be shooting some A-roll here. I also have this clamp that allows me to set up overhead shots for unboxings. And then I pretty much just have some camera equipment over at the end of the desk. Now moving over to this side of the office, this is my fiance's desk setup for when she works from home. She's currently using an autonomous standing desk paired up with an autonomous Ergo Chair Pro. For the monitor, she has a 32-inch Samsung Ultrawide, as well as the Melgeek Off-White keyboard. But that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you guys like this tour of my office and gaming setup, make sure to leave a like and let me know down below which was your favorite part. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I'll catch you all next time.